We are back at it again with the dolly track on the floating camera. Dottie and I are going for a mid-afternoon walk. It is the 23rd of May, 2024. And I've got quite a few videos coming out right and left here. And I'm just trying to be prolific. I skipped one day and I got at least 2 comments wondering where the heck I was. I need to restart again. I'm sorry. Dottie's taking care of her business. Here we go again. Sorry for the little delay there. The Dolly, listen, when Dottie needs to take care of business, we need to stop everything and take care of that. Let's see what's going on. I was saying I got a lot of videos coming out. There was just, I had 2 comments the other day when I skipped a day on, didn't have a long form video on one day, even though I have that positive news shorts every single day. I've done 90 days, I think 91. Today was day 91 in a row. So I don't know if maybe shorts you don't get notifications on. No idea. But I do know if you didn't see a video from me in a particular day, go to my channel, go to the playlist, and it's got positive news on the playlist, and they'll all be there. And without fail, I do one every single day. You can always find a video, and I'm not going to post a long form every single day. I just, not that I get lazy about doing videos, it's, I run out of content. I don't know what to talk about. Here I am right now. All I can talk about is my video production and the fact that I don't have anything to talk about. That's the topic right now. So that tells you that there's not too much to talk about here. Today, it was pretty much a day off other than having to go to the chiropractor. I spent an hour and a half at the pool doing volleyball from 1 to 2:30. And that keeps me moving, a little bit of exercise, a little bit of fun. I love the pool here. You know, you've heard me talk about it before, but it's just an amazing swimming pool with a big glass enclosure on rollers. It's pretty fantastic. Oh, let's see what else. I don't plan on doing anything else very productive today other than continuing to edit videos that I'm doing. I've got a really long one that's cooking on Art Bell, Coast to Coast AM, if you remember Art Bell. I did a real long one on visiting a little memorial they have for him here, his gravesite at the cemetery, the original studio where he did a show from, and his old house. So I have all that in one video. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm going to run out of battery here any minute, and I don't have that much more to say. So I'm going to end it here, and we'll just let the camera follow me as it runs out of battery. And thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you on the next one. Now follow. Come on, Dottie.